Well, you can see since last night we've covered the clamp with a sheet, and we've been putting tyres on the front. Tyres at the front are the best thing really, because they keep the clamp sheet down, stop the air getting under the sheet, and so stop it from decomposing, the silage from decomposing. But also they're waterproof, so you can put them on the front, not worry about rain. I like to put straw on the top, but on the front here you can't put straw because otherwise it would just go rotten. So using the old McCormick here just to get tyres one load at a time. I think I've only got about one more load to go. Just going to get a load of tyres anyway. Right, so here's our old tyre pile that we've had for about 30 or 40 years, and we got given these. As you imagine, everyone's keen to get rid of them, which was fine 30 years ago, but now what we've got is a situation where these tyres are ancient. I mean, there's cross-ply and radials and things, but what's happening here, you can see the tyres are breaking down, and the biggest worry with that is wire in the tyres. So we have to be really careful, and there's some over here. This is a reject pile here. You can see some of the wire starting to stick through, like there and there. Now obviously an issue there is, there's a really obvious one there. Issue there, if it gets in a cow's stomach, that can cause real problems. So we can't put anything on the clamp which has got wire in it. We've had to pay disposal on these old tyres. I mean, they've basically perished because they're so old now. We're whittling them down slowly, but we have to pay disposal on them, so it's quite expensive. So anyway, I'm loading up tyres again now. Here we go. One down, plenty more to go. There we are on the clamp. And you can see we've got a lot of tyres on here now, so we're just carrying on with this job. Not my favourite job in the world, putting tyres on the clamp, but it's got to be done. And we just get up to the first stanchion here, because if you get any lower than that, anything with straw bales or anything, the rain gets on it and knackers them up. So tyres are the best option, but quite a lot of work. Oops. Right, time to get another load of tyres.